To get started, download and install the EZVIZ Studio software from the official EZVIZ website if you haven't already. After installation, launch the software and log in using your EZVIZ account credentials. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your connected cameras. Simply double-click on the camera you want to view, and the live feed from the selected camera will appear in the main window. To download, install, and set up EZVIZ Studio software to view your camera, please watch our previous video. The link is provided in the video description below. At the bottom of the live view screen, you'll find the gallery option, where you can view your recorded footage by timeline. To view playback date-wise, click the calendar icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you can select the date, with marked dates indicating when camera footage is available for that specific day. On the timeline, you can press, hold, and drag the timeline bar left or right to adjust the hours and watch the footage at your desired time. The timeline in EZVIZ Studio spans a full 24-hour period for the selected day, providing a comprehensive view of recorded footage. You can utilize the zoom in and zoom out options to adjust the timeline, allowing you to refine your viewing experience. When you zoom in, the timeline compresses the hours into smaller increments, such as minutes or seconds, making it easier to pinpoint specific events that occurred in a short time frame. Conversely, zoom out expands the timeline, enabling you to view a broader range of hours at once. This flexibility enhances your ability to efficiently manage playback, whether you need to closely analyze details or quickly review an entire day's recordings. All of these functions and features are accessible from anywhere, allowing you to connect and view your footage from different networks. The additional playback speed options are available only when you are connected to the same local LAN or Wi-Fi network. This feature allows you to speed up or slow down the playback of the footage, depending on your needs. The playback speed options in EZVIZ Studio allow you to control how quickly or slowly you view recorded footage, ranging from 1/2x to 8x. The 1/2x speed slows down playback to half the normal speed, ideal for analyzing details. Normal speed, 1x, provides a real-time view, while 2x speed allows for quicker reviews of longer recordings. With 4x speed, you can skim through footage efficiently, and 8x speed enables rapid navigation, perfect for finding specific events or anomalies. By selecting the desired playback speed, you can tailor your viewing experience to suit your needs. You can follow these same steps to view footage from other cameras as well. However, please note that the software currently does not support playing multiple camera footage simultaneously. We appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest tutorials, tips, and product reviews designed to enhance your home security and smart home setup. Thank you for being part of our community.